What we have witnessed there, it is very painful. I know their hearts are very broken-hearted. But what I can say to the Buccaneers, the Bible says, He sticks so close to those who are broken-hearted.
Yes.
He saves those who are crushed in the spirit.
Yes.
If you want to cry it out, Buccaneers, you can cry. The shortest verse in the Bible, it says Jesus wept. So if Jesus himself cried,
Yes.
who are you not to cry?
Yes.
Yes, says your maraba start. Your maraba. But you know, it takes me back to the classroom. Mathematics learners, they can relate with this.
Yes.
There are those kind of questions which says like who f at x multiplied by the inverse of f at x. That's when you meet those questions, obona future it's okale faster. Pirates today you won in league, it's stadium.